Hi guys, today I'm going to show you two easy ways to simplify fractions to their lowest terms. And sometimes we've heard that said as reducing fractions, but all this really means is rewriting fractions so that the top number and the bottom number are in their lowest possible numbers. So let's start with an example. 10 over 12. The first way I'm going to show you is using prime factors. And so what we'll do is we'll rewrite the top number, which is the numerator, and the bottom number, which is the denominator. We'll rewrite them using their prime factors. So 10, the prime factors are 2 and 5. Now for 12, the prime factors are 2, 2, and 3. The next step we're going to do is cancel any numbers that repeat on the top and the bottom. So you'll see we're going to cancel the 2 on top with the 2 on the bottom. Once you've found all the pairs that match top and bottom, the last thing you want to do is simply multiply what's left and then write it down. So here on top, the only thing left is a 5, no need to multiply. And then down at the bottom, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. Now we've rewritten the fraction in its lowest terms. We've simplified it completely. So that's all that is to that first way of using prime factors. But let's do another example. 9 over 15. Once again, we'll start writing the prime factors of both the top number, the numerator, and the bottom number, the denominator. So the prime factors of 9 are 3 and 3. And the prime factors of 15 are 3 times 5. Remember, the next step is to cancel the numbers that appear top and bottom. So find those pairs. We have 3 and 3, we cancel. Last step, simply multiply what's left and write it down. There's only a 3 left on top, no need to multiply, so we just have a 3. Likewise on the bottom, we just have 5. And that's it. That was our first easy way to simplify fractions to their lowest terms, using prime factors. The next easy way we're going to talk about is using what we call the greatest common factor. We also call it GCF. When we do this, we're going to need to find the factors of both the top and the bottom number first and figure out which one is the largest that they have in common. So we want to write out all of the factors of 10. That's 1, 2, 5, and 10. And then also write out all the factors of 12. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So like I was saying, we want the greatest factor that they have in common. When we look on the two sets of numbers, 2 is the biggest number that occurs in both sets. So 2 will be our GCF. So all we do now is divide our original fraction by this GCF that we found. So we'll take 10 over 12 and divide the top and the bottom by 2. So that just leaves us with 5 over 6, just like we had in the other way.